Welcome to our comparison of two leading portable washing machines. Today we will dive into the features of the Zenu portable washing machine, which boasts a compact 13-liter capacity and is designed for delicate items, and the Ubila portable washing machine, offering a larger 15.8-liter capacity with a spin basket for enhanced drying. We'll examine their key specifications, pros and cons, and help you determine which machine suits your lifestyle best. Let's get started. Let's start with capacity. The Zenu portable washing machine offers a 13-liter capacity, making it ideal for small loads such as baby clothes and underwear. In contrast, the Ubila portable washing machine provides a larger capacity of 15.8 liters, allowing you to wash more items in a single load. This extra space can be particularly beneficial for those who need to do laundry for multiple people or larger items. Next, let's look at functionality. The Zenu model is a basic washer that requires manual wringing after the wash cycle, which can be a hassle. On the other hand, the Ubila model includes a spin basket, allowing for partial dehydration of clothes, which significantly reduces drying times. This feature makes the Ubila a more convenient option for users looking for efficiency in their laundry routine. Finally, let's discuss price. The Zenu portable washing machine is priced at $57.99, making it a budget-friendly option for those who need a simple washing solution. Meanwhile, the Ubila portable washing machine is priced at $79.99, reflecting its larger capacity and additional features like the spin basket. Depending on your budget and laundry needs, each option has its merits. In conclusion, both the Zenu and Ubila portable washing machines have unique advantages. If you're looking for a cost-effective solution for small loads, the Zenu is a great choice. However, if you need a larger capacity and the convenience of a spin basket, the Ubila may be worth the investment. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more comparisons.